Hello, my name is Emily Cooper, and I'll be talking about the ethical implications of implementing AI and data analytics in classrooms today. I'll also suggest methods for ensuring ethical conduct. This discussion aligns with NELP Standard 5, community and external leadership, as well as ITSE standards for education leaders, specifically the Equity and Citizenship Advocate 3.1 and Visionary Leader 3.2. We can promote educational equity and build trust in our school communities by ensuring AI is used ethically and transparently. Ethical considerations. The first is privacy and data security. AI systems gather huge amounts of student data, which raises security and privacy issues. Schools need to make sure that student data is shielded from security lapses and illegal access. To maintain equality and guarantee that no group is disproportionately impacted by data vulnerabilities, protecting student data is crucial, which is in line with ITSE's Equity and Citizenship Advocate standard. Echoed and Greenshow shared, although consent requests are designed to be protective measures and to help alleviate privacy concerns, many individuals give their consent without knowing or considering the extent of the information, metadata, they are sharing, such as language spoken, racial identity, biographical information, and data. Sensitive information may be misused as a result of this irresponsible data sharing, which can also compromise the security of teachers and students. The next ethical consideration is bias in AI algorithms. The impartiality of AI models depends on the quality of the data they are trained on. AI methods can exacerbate inequalities in academic achievement if data sets include historical biases. For equity to be achieved, AI decision-making must be fair. This is related to the ITSE Equity and Citizenship Advocate Standard 3.1c, which highlights the importance of demonstrating ethical and inclusive technology use in order to build community trust. The next ethical consideration is transparency and accountability. Transparency is essential for AI-driven decisions, such as predictive analytics for student achievement. Parents, students, and educators all need to be aware of how AI affects educational choices. This pertains to NELP Standard 5, which highlights the value of external and community leadership in building trust through moral leadership. The following are strategies for ethical AI and data use in schools. To address the previous ethical concerns, schools can implement the following strategies. Maintaining transparency in AI implementation. The use of AI and data analytics should be explained in detail in schools so staff, parents, and students are aware of its benefits and drawbacks. Transparency can be improved by establishing data management guidelines and by publishing reports on a regular basis. This is in line with the ITSE Visionary Planner Standard 3.2c, which emphasizes creating plans for moral and just technology use. The next strategy is ensuring fairness through regular bias audits. Biases can be found and reduced by regularly auditing AI models. To guarantee that AI-driven decisions do not disproportionately affect particular student groups, schools should work with a variety of stakeholders. As quoted in Exploring the Ethical Implications of AI and Data Analytics, Challenges and Strategies for Responsible Implementation, Chinta shares, by systematically evaluating potential harms, biases, and unintended consequences, organizations can take proactive measures to minimize negative impacts on individual and society. By encouraging moral leadership that builds community trust, this practice supports both NELP Standard 5 and the ITSE Equity and Citizenship Advocate Standard 3.1. Finally, building trust with stakeholders. Administrators need to have regular conversations regarding the moral applications of AI with staff, parents, and students. Building accessible resources regarding AI's role in education, hosting community forums, and providing workshops can all help to increase trust. Since developing good relationships with the larger school community is a component of ethical leadership, this is in line with NELP Standard 5. In conclusion, there are advantages and disadvantages to integrating AI and data analytics in the classroom. We may responsibly utilize AI's potential by proactively addressing ethical issues with privacy, bias, and transparency, as well as putting policies in place that guarantee equity and community involvement. The significance of the ethical management and technology integration is emphasized by these initiatives, which are in line with NELP Standard 5 and the ITSE standards for educational leaders. Thank you.